What's up, everyone? This is me, Ali Raza, a Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and Bing Ads certified advertising professional, as well as an owner of a Google partner company. And today, I'm here with another amazing, interesting video regarding Google Ads approval for compromised site and circumventing system. So here, I'm going to give you a detailed case study. But for those who don't know, this is not for Google Ads suspension, but account suspension, but this is for Google Ads disapproved. The ads were disapproved for the two of the reasons. One was circumventing system, and the second is compromised site. So what we did and how we get sorted, I'm going to tell you step by step in this video. So let's get started on this, and I'm going to show you as well. So first of all, I'm going to show you in the appeal section of this account on what exactly happened and what we did out. So let's move on to the policy page to show you what happened over here. So you can see over here that the account has a failed case study over here. You can see over here that the account got failed, and this was failed till 16th August. When we got an account on 10th August. So it took us around 15 to 20 days to get it approved. But what we did and how we did, I'm going to tell you in this amazing video. Okay, so the first step was, because the site was suspended for compromised system site and circumventing system. So then we had to thought that there could be an issue with the website. We had to go through security checks, and another interesting thing was, when I tried to open the website, and it was, to be really honest, I was not able to open the website on my browser, and I was very surprised, like what it happened. And then I asked my team, like, can you guys visit it? And then they were like, yeah, it's okay to visit it. We are fine with it. So then we used some tools to see if the website is loading in different parts of the world or not. So gladly, out of 8 and 6 locations, the website was being visited, and 2 of the locations website was not able to open. So we were like, yeah, there could be some issue on the website, some IP blockage, some location movement. We discussed with the client, but the client said that it doesn't matter to me because I want the visit from US or Canada. I'm not interested in bothered in other countries. So we told them that, yeah, but Google does bother on it and Google looks on it. So we have to do something, for a compliance. Okay, and then we look on the Google Search Console, and we looked on any possible error, any possible issues. Sometimes we are not aware of, but you can find something over there. We looked on it. We looked on the 404. We did the malware scanner for our website to see in case if there is any error on the website which can cause it. We thoroughly looked on that. Once we figured that, the malware scanner, then we did the security scanner, then we did the broken links, then we looked on the images, then we when we started looking on different locations, we can see that if there was any issue. We also looked on aspects like if the speed is any issue or something like that. Yeah, we did it. And then the next step was to have a discuss with our Google team, because I own a Google partner company and we provide different marketing solutions. So which is why we have a dedicated manager, and we discuss with them that our client is getting issue in running their ads. And I showed them their history, like you can see over there that the client has got the compromised site, circumventing system. You can see over here as well that the errors are over here in a theme like review complete failed, and that was a thing, that was very annoying for the client. And we were really not sure on whether we can do it or not. So when we sorted out all the issues, then when first I and my team need to be confident on is the website compliant or not with Google. That was the first thing we did. When we saw that our website is compliant with the Google and everything is sorted out, then we did the test running on our account, because I do not want my client's account to be suspended and then he is going to be going to another trouble. Let me show you as well on our account. So you can see over here that we tried running over here as well. The unreliable claim is for another client, but this was but when we were able to get it sorted of a circumventing system, then we moved on to the account and we discussed with the support and we get it restored. And you can see over here that for compromised site we did first, and then it was filled with circumventing system, and then we got it approved. Okay, for those who don't know, compromised site is, where the site is vulnerable, has security issues, has uh, you know uh, your data can be leaked, your payment information can be hacked. When Google thinks that the website security is compromised, Google issues your website with a ban of compromised site. And for the circumventing system, it's more likely on clocking, or thing like you are showing different thing to visitor and different thing to Google reports, or you are deceiving, you are lying, something like this. Okay, for because when the circumventing system error, and then I told you about the different locations, when I was opening from my location and the website was not being able to load it, and then we did test on the different locations, and 6 locations were working fine and 2 of the locations were not working fine. We were of the opinion that it could be the reason for the circumventing system that Google is assuming on this. We also looked at the ads, sometimes it's the word. We also suggested them ample of changes on their headlines, claims, wordings. I can even show you the file as well. Just a second. Okay, just to let you know that we also looked on the DNS issues, and then we suggested a few things over there, providing calculable information, professional endorsements, transparency about methods, highlights benefits of recovery. What are you doing? We suggested them, and then we also mailed them. Suggested our client regarding other things as well, such as DNS issues and other possible changes on the website, some disclaimers, other stuff as well to make it compliant. But yeah, thankfully we were able to get the client ads running. And the best thing was that even when the client ad was running, the best thing was to get some clicks before getting everything approved. So our strategy was to get them some clicks, so that they are confident on either they are getting clicks or not. So you can see over here as well that they started getting impressions over here. You can see over here that the impressions are over here, and if I move to yesterday, you can see over here there are more impressions over here, and you can see everything over here. Okay, I'm not showing you the clicks, I'm just showing you that the website is approved and they are now getting. And currently at the moment we have posed ads, but you can see over here some stuff over here, spending stuff and click stuff as well. Okay, so yeah, this is another successful case study regarding Google Ads disapproved for circumventing system and compromised sites. I'm glad that the client was had patience on it, had patience on us, which is why they started working with us. So I'm very thankful to them. I hope you like this case study. In case if you need our services regarding Google Ads compromised site, Google Ads disapproved, even Google Ads unreliable claims, or any malicious software, or any error, or for Google Ads suspension, or even for Google Ads management, Facebook Ads management, Bing Ads management, SEO services, or landing pages, the details are in the description of this video on how you can reach with us and how you can work with us. Once again, thank you for watching, and make sure to subscribe to our channel and press that bell icon so that whenever I create a new video, you guys get a notification regarding this. Thank you, take care, and bye bye.